Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make avocado kachumbari. Gather ripe avocados, firm tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, lime, salt, and a chili if you like heat. Use a sharp knife and a bowl ready for mixing. Dice ingredients uniformly for consistent bites, then gently fold avocado with tomatoes and onion to avoid mashing. Finish with lime and salt, taste, and adjust seasoning. Keep your prep simple and efficient to save time and boost flavor. Slice ingredients to similar sizes so every forkful has avocado, tomato, and onion. If onion is too sharp, soak slices briefly in cold water or use less. Use fresh lime juice rather than bottled for brighter notes. Gently fold instead of stirring to maintain avocado texture and a pleasing presentation for serving. Avocado Kachumber pairs wonderfully with many dishes and makes weeknight meals feel special. Spoon it over grilled fish or chicken for a cool, tangy counterpoint. Use it as a vibrant topping for tacos or simply spread on warm toast for a quick snack. If making ahead, store in an airtight container with a little lime to delay browning and enjoy within 1 day for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.